Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up your DELL Precision 5520 laptop. So first thing you have to do is select your country or region. Once you do that, select yes. Select the right keyboard layout for your laptop and click yes. If you want to add a second keyboard layout, click right here. If you want to skip this step, click right here. Then let's connect to a Wi-Fi network, or you can connect to the Ethernet if you can. Okay, so input the password for your Wi-Fi. Click next. And once you're connected, click yes. Click next. Then let your device check for updates. Then review and accept license agreement to continue the process. Then if you want, you can name your device, but your laptop will restart afterwards. If you don't want to do that, you can skip it for now. Then either select set up your device for personal use or set up your device for work or school. Basically, in most cases, you'd want to set it up for personal use. You only should use the second option if this laptop isn't your property, but the property of your school or organization. So select the option it fits you the most and click next. Now let our device to check for Windows updates. Then press sign in and sign into your Microsoft account. First input your email, click next. Then Microsoft will send a code to your email, so open it up and check for the code. Then select send code. Okay, so the code should already be on your email, so let me input mine right here. Then click sign in. This way you add your Microsoft account to your device. Now let's wait for a while. Now we can create a PIN for our account. So set up a new PIN. Make sure you remember it. Confirm and press OK. Now choose the privacy settings for your device. So location, find my device feature, then some optional features like diagnostic data. You can basically disable all of these four last toggles and only use the first two, which are the essentials. Basically, then click accept. Okay, right now we can press continue and wait for a while. Okay, so we can continue once the data is restored from the backup. Let's wait again for a while, and I think there are some options left to decide on. Okay, so once the Windows got things ready for us, we can customize our experience, but I think you don't actually need that, because this doesn't really change anything, and you can also change it later in settings. So select skip. You can start using your phone from your PC by scanning this QR code on Android, or using iPhone link on your iPhone. But I will skip this step. You can back up your phone's photos on this laptop by scanning this QR code, but I'm also gonna skip this step because I don't need it. Select not now. Now if you want to receive a 1 month free Microsoft 365 family, then you can click continue, but the pricing after 1 free month is $129.99 per year, so I will decline it. You can also enable Microsoft storage. I will also decline it, and yes, at this point click next. This one is also skipper. And at this point the setup is complete. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.